Every jalebi begins with sweetness drawn from raw crops.
Sugar is the foundation of jalebi's shine. Only mature cane delivers clean sweetness.
Raw sweetness moves quickly toward processing.
Pure water supports perfect batter texture. Flour defines jalebi's structure. Uniform grain ensures consistent batter.
Fermentation creates jalebi's signature tang.
Every ingredient is staged together.
From raw sources, jalebi's journey begins. Jalebi ingredients are sealed to protect purity. Fresh ingredients move without delay.
Consistency begins long before frying.
Fermentation continues gently in transit. Heat and time are carefully controlled.
The jalebi factory comes into sight.
Arrival is synchronized with production.
Exact quantities protect batter balance.
Every movement supports freshness. This is where batter begins its transformation. Every ingredient enters a controlled path.
Nothing enters the line unverified. Batter structure starts with flour. Fermentation is protected at every step.
All streams meet inside one system.
Accuracy begins before mixing.
Preparation gives way to creation.
Quantity and cleanliness are locked in.
Fermentation is refined, not rushed.
Pure water protects flavor and texture.
Smooth batter starts with refined flour. Clarity gives jalebi its shine. Smooth syrup coats evenly. Each element waits its turn.
Human judgment confirms readiness.
Balance is measured, not guessed.
The batter is now alive.
Texture begins with controlled motion.
Uniformity defines the spiral ahead. Time adds character to batter. Tang develops without haste.
Perfect batter shows itself.
Fermentation gives way to form.
Thickness defines the final glaze.
Syrup waits to seal sweetness.
Sweetness stands ready. The spiral is drawn in motion.
Control creates uniform rings.
Heat gives structure.
Both sides earn their color.
Color signals readiness.
Crispness replaces softness. Excess oil is released.
Sweetness enters while heat remains. Time completes the glaze.
Balance is restored.
Automation protects fragile form.
Precision keeps every spiral intact. Cooling locks the structure. Heat releases its hold. Ashku chettu pe kam jaagte hain. Sweetness finds balance. Machines confirm what hands created.
Technology moves with restraint.
Consistency continues.
Readiness is confirmed.
The final details begin.
Stability allows precision.
Human touch perfects geometry. Gloss is evenly sealed. Texture holds its promise. Strength lies in detail. Order prepares evaluation. Flow remains uninterrupted. Only purity moves forward. Verification now takes over.
Every spiral faces scrutiny.
Form reflects discipline.
Sound confirms texture.
Balance defines sweetness.
Numbers protect consistency.
Control begins with sampling.
Precision extends beyond the line. The journey nears its end. Protection begins at the end. Form is preserved.
Traceability travels with every box.
Identity is applied.
Volume meets order.
Storage steadies the supply.
Conditions preserve quality. Distribution takes shape.
And this is how modern factories produce jalebi from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.